Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and withdraw money from Uber Pro card. Okay? And there's two transfer options. One is the instant transfer, where basically you send funds from your branch account to an eligible external, US bank account via a connected debit card through MasterCard Send. And these usually are done within 30 minutes, and they do charge you. Okay, there's fees applicable, and this is the fees that are applicable. And there's also the standard transfer. No fees apply for this one. Okay, but it does take 3 to 5 business days. Okay, now this is how you do it. Okay, you navigate to the wallet, tap in the app, then you go ahead and tap on Move Funds. And now you just need to select a transfer option. I showed you two options. Just select one of these depending on how fast you need the money. Okay, so you want to withdraw, right? So you need to enter the amount of the funds you would like to withdraw, and then just swipe up to submit on the confirmation page. Okay, just go ahead and withdraw to your account, and once you withdraw to your respective account, you can go to an ATM and access the money that way, or you can just use it using a card, all right, or online banking. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.